Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? I'm turning around, I'm tuning in. So I should be making about like two-part video of this situation because this is a real situation. And prices going up, material going up. Everybody got different prices, and the reason why everybody got different prices. So you got the jack legs, you got handyman, then you got a construction company. Everybody got different prices. So having a construction company comes with a lot of overhead. Overhead is the construction company got to open it up, pay for insurance, workman's comp, truck insurance, general insurance, lights and electric of the building that he running his equipment out, his trucks, his men that comes to your house to service your house. Now, these tradesmen that come to your house, they call tradesmen. A difference from a tradesman and a jackleg is a tradesman gonna do it with the knowledge and stuff that he put to his trade, or he graduated from whatever technical school he went to, whatever union hall he went to get these certifications to be legit and be a gentleman to delegate his craft when he comes to your house. It could be an electrician, it could be a plumber, it could be an HVAC technician, it could be a carpenter, it could be a concrete man, it could be a roofer, it could be a siding guy, it could be an estimator. Estimator is a person to run numbers, to know how to close a deal and know how much it costs for a construction site or a residential home. Also, a general contractor is a GC. GC could stand for person know how to delegate with all fields and understand all fields how to build a house. Right. Also, and he specializes in certain things. I can run a lot of things like that. And also, I specialize in Division 2, 3, and 4, and 1. And I sub out some of my stuff, but I know all of it. I work in my house. I could do heating and plumbing, I could do HVAC, I do electric, 110 wire, all that. I could do that. But I certified myself to be a GC to run over the top of all that. That means I got to have an OSHA 30, and I got to know all of the craftsmen or general contractor that I hire, knowing their job too, as I overlook their things with the City of Philadelphia L&I department, and when they come and pass code. And a licensed contractor, a tradesman, got to walk around with an OSHA 30 certificate, an OSHA 30 card. You know, some people go through the class, some people don't, like, you know, OSHA 30 card, thing like that. Or you turn around, you got to get your OSHA 500. OSHA 500, you can teach the class. And you got to know your codes. Your codes are serious. In the City of Philadelphia, the books be like this. And, you know, having these qualifications and these thick books like this, and you got to read and make sure everything is by code so you won't go through no mistakes of certain things and stuff like that. So it's like how we delegate situations, and the difference from a tradesman that you pay $45, $50, it depends on what trade it is, and to $25 to a labor, whatever's going on, versus a person you can meet on the side of a corner, just got a handyman certificate, don't even know how to hang the cabinets correctly, you know, got a tool belt and all that. So I don't belittle none of them, because they can still get the job done. A patch job, you got to know the difference from a patch job than a construction job. Patch job, a couple of holes in the wall, fix it, slick it up, sand it down. You got compound that got to dry over 24 hours, or you got quick set bags, 30-minute quick set bags, 45-minute quick set bag. Paint it, get the job done. However, whoever you hire. And knowing these things, you got to be precise who you hire. So you get on Instagram or whatever it is, or you could get on Google and type up companies and they come up. And when they come and give you their service, the guy pull up in a nice truck or whatever he come in, or the person, whatever's going on, the estimator, he said, hey, this is what it's cost. How could you argue about his price that he got an overhead about? But I'm gonna make another video about pricing and the reason why certain prices is high, because you all can see it in your food market, the gas prices, when you go buy your clothes, when y'all shop on Amazon, when your credit card interest rate went up. Y'all see it, but you know that's different opinions. But stay tuned. I'm gonna keep this subject on construction, and I'm gonna make another video about material lists, why things high, what it is, or why the guy with Daniels Plumbing come out and he said, hey, the heating for this situation gonna cost $1,300, or the plumbing for this situation gonna cost $800, because he got an overhead. He got to get the gas in his truck to get there, and he got to pay the guy that he hired. Or Joe Brown Construction Company. When I come and go to zoning or go get your permit from the city of Philadelphia, though I got to go deal with Illinois and making sure the codes is right, I got an inspection this morning. I'm going to show you that inspection this morning. And delegating the situation, because it's all about the work in the section that you cover. I understand everybody want to be a real estate agent. Everybody want to get into housing, no problem. But know your costs of getting housing, because it's switch and go up and down. As you seen the feds turn around, used to be 2%. They got it all the way up to 7%. Some banks and mortgage companies want 7.5%. Some banks and companies want 8% now. So if you know your ratio and whoever you delegating with, or the hard money lender, it went from certain brackets to borrow their money now, or the private lender money. So let's be realistic. I'm going to show you a price list about material. Stay tuned. Joe Brown Construction Company, one-stop shop. Always serious about my business. I love what I do. Sincere is best.